This is the first time coming across my video, please I will urge you to wait to the end of the tutorial to see how the flyer will be created from scratch. I'm creating the flyer from scratch. So the first thing we'll be doing is that we'll be changing this size. We are not going to be using this size. I'll be using Instagram portrait size to create the design. Before let's change the size. Click on the top right corner, these three dots you are looking at. Click on it, then you come to the image size. After coming to image size, you see your aspect ratio 1:1. That is because it is on regular size. Now let's change to our preferred size. I will leave it as 1080 and 1350. Okay, then we now have our size. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to have a stylish background, and I have the land aspect of it. So let's get started. So I already have the images I want to use on my phone, so I have to import it in. Then click here, come to import. And after coming to import, I'll go to the kind of the image I have on my phone that I want to use. So I want to use this image. You can see this image is full, it's full, but I only have the part I want to use there. So I will just have to crop the area I needed there. So this is the area I needed. Okay, then I will increase it and increase. Now it's now okay. So the next thing for me to do is to blend this background I bring in with the background to have that sky effect. Now just come to your color, then enable. After enabling it, you are going to have something like this. Click on gradient, then click on this plus. After clicking on the plus, you see this is black, and you see the one at the top is white. So now this is the part we want to blend to the background. So let me change this gray to white. Okay, then this one, let me transparent it. This one is for this, so let me transparent it. Okay, it's now transparent. Click on OK. We now have something like this, so it's properly blended with the background. Now you can see the sky is blending with the background. So now the next thing to do is to lock our layer. Now I want to have something here like a landscape. Yes, a landscape, so that we can place our image on top of it. So the next to do, I want to import that as well. Click on import, then I'll scroll till I see the image I want to use. Okay, this is the image I want to use. Then the next thing is that I'll crop it. I don't need the sky part, I already made the sky, so I just need the green part of it. Let me crop it. Okay, it's now okay. Then I'll bring it to the side I need it to be. I want to be at this side. Then after bringing it to this side, so the same thing we did to the we same adjustments we made to this one is what we are going to do to this one as well, to make it blend with the background. So just come after selecting it, come to your color, then enable. After enabling, click on gradients. Now just click on the one we used before. After clicking on it, you can see that the white is at the bottom part instead of being at the top part. So just click on the plus, then bring it to the top part. Bring it to the top part. Like that, we have successfully blend it with the background, but it's too much like this. We need to adjust it. Let's take it up. Take it up. Okay, it's okay like this, but it's not properly blending. Look at that side. Let's go back and bring it down a bit. Bring it down a bit. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay. So let's lock it as well. Now we now have our complete background. So the thing I want to edit this a bit. Let me come to filter. I'll come to the contrast. The contrast. Okay, it's okay like this. I think it's too much, but let's do it like this first. It's too much. Let's reduce it. It's too much. It's too much. Okay, good like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add my logo. I already have the logo on my phone. So Havana. So just crop it out. Don't worry, we are going to remove the background when we get there. Okay, now reduce it to the size. Now to make it center, just come here, relative position, click on center. It's already center. Now to remove the background, just come to your erase color, then enable. After enabling it, click on this picker, then select the area. You can see the area is already selected. Select the area you want to remove, then click on that mark. Okay. So I'm going to change the Havana logo to white. I don't want to leave it like that. Okay, now we now have the logo. Let's lock that layer as well. So now the next thing I want to do is that I want to add says reopen and Havana estate. So for that, I'm going to use shape first. Use shape first. I'm going to place that this side. Then the radius should be something around 8 or 12. 8 or 12. Let's just leave it as 10. Okay. Then the color will be red. So now I want to add C's on this one. Click on text and add to it C's. Then bring it to the area you need it. Then I will use this to reduce the size. But before we do the size, let's change the font first. Let's change the font. Okay. So let's bring it to the center of the shape. Okay. Now the next thing is to change the color to white to have eye contrast there. To have eye contrast. To have eye contrast. So now this same shape, I'm going to duplicate it, copy, then bring it to that same side because we are having something like that there again. Okay, but this time I'm going to make this one bigger a bit, then longer a bit, and then change the color to gradient type. Gradient. So after clicking on this black and white, now edit it here plus. Then this one, this white, I will change it to yellow. Then change this minus this, change it to red. We now have something like this. So let's move it up a bit for alignment's sake. Okay. Now the next thing is to add our text upon it. So come to text, click on your edit, then come to type your reopen. 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 Then let's change the font to the same font we used for that one. Recent. Okay. Change the color as well to white. So let's reduce the size. Okay. Okay. The next thing to add is our image and the price of the land and all of that. So now let me import the building. Let me import the building. Okay. The building. Let me center it with this. Okay, it's already center. Let's lock it. So after putting the building, I need to write the estate name, which is Havana Estate. Havana Estate. So Havana first. So let me change the font to this monument extended. Okay, if you have been following my tutorial, I already in one of my videos I inserted the file link where you can download these fonts. Yes, you can check on my previous video. I have uploaded this on a Google Drive and I sent it on my video one of my video. For this, let's use gradient for this. Come to plus, then this one we make it deep green, deep green. Then the top one we make it a lighter green, something like this. Okay, okay, we can still adjust it a bit. Okay, this is okay, this is okay. Now the next thing to add is our estate, our estate. So now let me go back, copy this, then edit it to estate. Okay, so for this now it's going to go back to the back of, let me reduce it a bit. It's going to go to the back of this building, so that means I'm bringing it down. Okay, now I'm going to change the color to another color. Let me just use plain color instead of using gradients here. Okay, now everything is going fine now. So now I want to add an image here as well, location image. So let me just lock the layers I'm not working with so that we are not going to have a mix up there. So click on the middle, come to import, then I'll click on what I want to import, then click on the mark. So this is going to be here, it's going to be here. Well, I want it to be at the back of the image, so I'm going to bring it to the back. Make sure that it's aligning with this. Okay, okay, but for this we need to adjust the image, the building image, so that there will be alignment. Okay, then these two, I think it's okay like this. Yes, we're having something nice like this, okay, let's lock the two. So after locking the two, we need to add the price and all of that. This is floating, this one is floating, it's not supposed to be floating. Okay, okay, I've locked the layer. Now we now have all the layers locked. So the next thing to add is to add the, this need to go to the back of this image very well. Let's adjust it. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now we can now lock it. It's perfect like this. We can now lock it. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I want to add effects to this building. Click on this sticker, then click out. Don't click on this mark, it's not going to give you what you want. Just click out. After clicking out, you have something like this. Then I'm going to change the color to red. Now I'm going to leave it like that. So now let's copy it. We are going to be needing it elsewhere. And I'll bring it to this side, change the color to lighter green. Do you see that? Then another one, copy, bring it to this side. Okay, now locked. So the next thing we'll be doing is adding our price and all of that to the design. And adding our price and all of that to the design. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the area we are going to input our address, the phone number, and the social media handle. So click on shape, then let's make it the radius around 12 or 15 or 13 is okay. Then bring it like this, maybe like this, maybe like this. Okay, the radius is too much. Let's take it down to 11. Okay, but we need to adjust this. Put it down just this. Okay, Now the next thing to do, I'm going to duplicate this one, but let's lock it first. Duplicate, then have another one here, but this time around we increase the radius. Okay, then lock it. Let's change the color of this green to green to green. Okay, no, you can still adjust that. You can still adjust that. No, I don't like this green. Let's adjust it very well. Or we use gray. Or we use gray for it. Or we use gray for it. Okay, it's good like this. Now I'll be adding my address, my phone number, and the social media handle on the design and the price of the building. So let me first add the price of the building. To do that, let's log this first. So all our layers are logged, so we are not going to tamper with anything. I want to add the price there. Come to shape, then the radius, edit it. Okay, so this building is going for 12 million naira. So I'm not going to use a customized naira sign. We can achieve that here, but I don't want the tutorial to be long. That's why I will not. That's why I will not use a naira sign here. Naira sign here. So just come to your, because I want to use something light and simple here. Just come to the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Then this one, duplicate it. Start duplicating. Let it be smaller than the first one. Then change the color to yellow, or you even use gradient, it can still work, to yellow. Now let's add the price. Lock this and lock this. Come to text, then add the price there. It's going for 12 million naira. Okay, click on your OK, then bring it to the area you need it to be. Increase the font size. This is too much, you can see, but we have to change the font first before increasing the size or reducing the size. Come to font, then I have this font. I told you earlier that I already have the font on my previous videos that I've uploaded it on my Google Drive. Then I send the link on the comment section on one of the videos. You can check it out. Monument extended. Okay, then I will reduce the size to, so let's change the color to white. Okay, this is nice. Okay, after adding that, so we just need to add our address and the phone number and the social media handles. So now let me log these two. Okay, after locking this, now the next thing is to add the address. So to add the address, click on the text, then edit. Now I already have a font on my phone that whenever I press on any letter, it's going to give me the icon I want, instead of going ahead to go and download icons, all of that. So I don't need to do that because I already have a font type icon that can give me that result that I want. So I just have to press the letter that represents that icon. So I'm going to click on N. Okay. Then let's bring it down. Click on this relative position. Then click on the arrow that points down. Bring it up. Bring it up. Okay. So now let me change the font so that you can see it's my font. Then you come to this one, type icon, click on OK. So you can see I have a location icon there. Now you can download it from Google. If you cannot access it on the video, you can download it on Google, or you check my previous video. I already have the link there. You can easily download it from there and install on your Pixellab. I also have a video that explains how you can add your font on Pixellab. So this is okay like this. You just have to duplicate it again, copy, then bring it down. So let's make it rhyme. Then now we can now edit this. So you can see it's still giving me in this same icon format. So I need to change it, the font. I need to change the font. Come to font, then change the font. No, let's use the font that comes with Pixellab this time around. So let us use this. Let's adjust it a bit to be aligned. Okay. So this can still be reduced, and this as well, and this as well. Everything just have to be moderate when you are designing. Everything doesn't have to be big and big. But if it is print design, there's a way you design a print design. You know that this thing must be visible for people to be able to read it, to be able to communicate the message. So most of those designs, you have to make everything visible and yet maintaining your design principles. Maintaining your design principles. Okay, this is okay. We still need to bring it down. We still need to bring it down. It's not aligned. We need to bring it down. Okay, I think it's aligned like this. Then we need to bring this to down. Okay, let's go. So now the next thing to add is the phone number and all of that. So click on text again, edit. Okay, sorry. Let's use the position to move it. So I'm going to use the same font I used for that side. I don't want to use too much fonts. Use too much fonts there. So let me change the color to white. So change the color to white. It's okay like this. Now let's lock this. Then this M that we have write before, that we use for the other one as a location icon, then I will copy it. After copying the icon, the letter, then I will edit it to N. N is phone icon. Then I will move it to the area in the relative position to bottom. Then click on this one, click on position, and let's move it. You can first align it first, but because of the alignment is not the same thing, so you just have to move it to the area you want it to be. So let's change the color to white. For this we need to okay, it's okay like this. I have to move the number a bit. Okay, this is okay. So the next thing to do is to what, the number and the phone is not aligning very well, so we need to bring the phone down a bit, just a little bit. Okay, this is good. Now lock it. Now I want to add my social media handle. I can decide to not add it and I can add it, but because this design, it needs for me, there is a need for me to add the social media handle, so I must add the social media handle there. So now for me to add it now, I want to import the icon I want to use. I already have it on my phone. Import. Start clicking on import. I have something like this. Then let's check around. I already have the 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 icon on my phone. Okay, this, let's just crop it. Now since I'm bringing this in, definitely this has to go up, and so that there will be a space to fit in this one. So now for that, let me just bring it to this side. Then the phone number needs to be adjusted, then the end needs to be adjusted, so that I won't stress myself. I can just merge this number and this together, so I can move it up at the same time. So I can move it up at the same time. So that I can move the two of them up at the same time. So let's just do that. Click on this. That is when you know that what you wrote is correct. Oh. Then click on merge. Click on the one you want to merge, this and this. Then click on merge. Are you sure you want to merge this selected object? Then click on your OK. Now it's now merged together. It's now merged together. You can see it's now merged together. And then I can now move it up. Okay. It's okay like this. Let's lock it first. Okay. Then this one, bring it to this side. Let's change the color to white. So I brought in PNG, so don't be surprised. It's PNG. It's PNG. It can be like this without adding those things here, but let's add, sorry, and let's reduce the size. It's too big, and we must maintain our alignment too. Maintain our alignment too. So now let's add the handle there. So Havana Estate. So look on your text, then edit it to that Havana Estate. Okay. Then you have to reduce the size. Change the color to white. And let's move it to the side we need it to be. So okay. So for this icon, you can use green for it as well. You can use green for the icon. But that Havana Estate, the font is too tiny. Let's see if we can bold it. Okay. Then the icon, if we can, sorry, the icon, if we can change the color to something like green, maybe it will be more good like that. No, 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 no. Let's just use the white we are using. The white is okay. Okay. Now this is okay, but the we need to change this Havana to the same font as the phone number, so they won't be fighting. The font is not matching with each other. Just come to your font. Now come to the font, come to your recent, then this is what we have been using so far. Then we reduce the size, move it closer. Okay, so now if you watch this extent, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So you will see me on my next video. Please kindly click on the subscribe button, so that whenever I put my next video, you are going to be notified, and going to be notified. So let's just quickly do some adjustment again, and let's call it a day. So this one we can still adjust it. This 24 admiral or what? Let's adjust it. First unlock, then edit, and edit it. Okay, let's increase it, because of the spacing that is at that side is a kind of too much. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's just adjust it up a bit. Okay, so we can now save our design and export out. You can save it and now export it out. So just click on your save, then save as project Havana Estate tutorial. You can save it with any name of your choice. Then come again, save as image. Then come to your very eye, save to gallery. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one.